Everyone. Well, we have discussed the chapter. We have finished the reading and understanding part. So now this video is for the conclusion of this story and remaining difficult words from page number 40 to 47. So students, in the story, you see how a Japanese couple who met in America while studying medicine and surgery. They met, they fell in love with each other, and they got married. They both were from Japan and they were very patriotic. They were in America, but they hated America. At the same time, they did not like America. And in fact, the man, Sadao, fell in love only after he come to know that the girl he is falling on is pure Japanese. They got married with Japanese culture, Japanese tradition, and everything went smoothly. So one day when they were at their home, a boy, or you can say a man, came by the water. So they hated America, and when they come to know that the boy was American, they did not want to save him. But when they come to know that he was wounded, so because they were doctors, so they were very passionate towards their work, so they saved him, and they somehow also wanted not to stay him at their place. So what did they do? They hide him in their father's room, which was not been occupied since his father's death. After knowing this, all the workers, the servants, the gardener left their home because they said, if American is staying here, we won't. Though they were very attached with the Sadao's family, still they left the home. Sadao treated him. Hannah also helped him. They both served the American whose name was Tom. So they somehow saved him. And when once Sadao was called by the general because he fell ill and he had to be operated, he visited him and he told him the whole scenario. The general said that he will send 2 or 3 assassins to kill the American. And Sadao was agreed. And Sadao waited for one night, for the other and the another, but no assassins came. So he somehow managed to escape him, to help him in escape. He helped him with food, with quilts and the boat, and told him that go from the nearby island and you can, and when you find a helping ship, from there you can find freedom. So this happened, and when again he went to the general's palace, he told him that the American escaped, and he remembered, oh, I promised you, but because of my health issues and other matters, I could not remember to send my assassins to your place, but you will be rewarded for this. So students, and at last he was thinking that why could not I kill him? So here our story ended, the enemy. So now coming on page number 40, the difficult words. So our first word is indispensable. Indispensable, which means absolutely or necessary. Next word is stand. Stand. Stand means endure. Endure. Next word is expressionless. It means without expressions. Next word is ruthlessness. Ruthlessness. It means heartlessness. Next word is sentimentality. Sentimentality, which means show of emotions. Show of emotions. Next word is execution. It means death sentence. When someone is sentenced to death, That is execution. Next word is irritably. Irritably. It means being annoyed. Next word is assassins. Assassins means murderers, you can say. Right? Next word is capable. Capable means skilled. Next word is considered. Considered means thought over. Thought over. Next word is timid. Timid means you can say shy or fearful, right? Next word is absolute. Here absolute means having unrestricted power, right? Next word is gaily. Gaily means cheerfully. Cheerfully. Or make preparations. To make, sorry, it provide means make preparations. Provide means make preparations. Next word is bother. Bother. Bother means trouble. Next word is gaunt. Gaunt means thin. Thin. Next word is stubby. Stubby. Stubby means short and thick. Short and thick. Next word is gripping. Gripping. Gripping means holding tightly. Right? Holding tightly. Next word is knuckles. Knuckles means joints of fingers. Rustling. Next word is rustling. It means making sound like dry leaves. Right? Displaced. Displaced means removed. Directed. Next word is directed. It means commanded. Commanded. Next word is shaggy. Shaggy means rough. Rough. Refrain. Refrain means chorus. Something repeated time and again. Our next word is boughs. Boughs means branches. Branches of tree. Next word is dripping. Falling in drops. Next word is wail. Wail means cry. Wail means cry. Okay. Next word is strain. Strain means stress. Right? Our next word is fortifying. Fortifying. Fortifying means strengthening. Strengthening. Our next word is submerged. Submerged means underwater. Next word is nodded. Nodded means saying something in like this. Comprehension. Next word is comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. Next word is drag. To drag means to pull. Drag means to pull. Next word is pawn shop. Pawn shop. Pawn shop means place where things are pledged to borrow money. Where things are pledged to borrow money. Our next word is flashlight. You might be knowing this. Torch. State. State means condition. Inconvenient. Inconvenient means uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Right? Next word is run out. Run out means finished. Flash. Flash means sudden burst of light. Sudden burst of light. Next word is instant. Instant means moment. Instant means moment. Next word is suspected. Suspected means having the impression of existence of something. I have suspected this. I have suspected something like that. All right. Our next word is chrysanthemum. Our next word is chrysanthemum. It is a kind of flower. It's a flower. Our next word is signifying. Signifying. Signifying means indicating. Indicating. Our next word is dereliction. Dereliction means carelessness, negligence of duty. Right? Our next word is zeal. Zeal. Zeal means enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. All right. Next word is twilighted. Twilighted means half light after sunset. All right. Next word is reward. Reward means return for a service. Return for a service. Well, our next word is whence. Whence means from where. From where. Next word is insistent. Demanding persistently. Demanding persistently. Next word is slatternly. It means untidy. Prejudice, biased, bias, right? Next word is repulsive. Repulsive means driving back. Driving back. So these are the difficult words. I would request you to write these down in your notebook and try to learn them also. Alright? I hope you would have understood the chapter and the difficult words. So now we will move to the exercises and question answers. Alright? Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.